Remember when they hate? Didn't think we made it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself and look at me, look at me. You made it.
Alright, what's good, what's good, what's good? We are back. Hair all freshly retwisted, got the lineup. Boy, your boy look about 6 years younger. Alright man, y'all can see, I got my backpack. Already loaded up my luggage and everything in the car. So it's time to get ready to head out. We're about to be meeting our boy Black Aaron at the airport. And then we're about to be off to Florida. So I'll be back with y'all once we get to the airport. But Florida trip, man. Let's have some fun. Hey man, we are here. Of course, even to the airport, this nigga Black Aaron's on Black nigga time. Him and Junior both weren't here yet. So we're gonna get this shit checked in. Well, we got the police dog checking for the druggies. Alright, so we just got through TSA and everything. Sitting here waiting for Black Aaron. Of course, it was all late. And as I got up there, I finally had seen him, so I sent him a picture of his boarding pass. So he should be coming through here shortly after he gets checked all in and all that shit. Just hopefully we don't catch the weed on this or something. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, we should be off to our terminal shortly. Just gotta wait on this, you know, on Black people time. Black Aaron on Black people time. Typical. Damn, about time. Man, you're the slowest to ever get to an airport. Hell yeah. We don't even know. Junior ain't even here yet, I don't think. Alright, we gotta find, excuse me, where's D14?
All the way straight.
All the way straight? Thank you, thank you. Bro, you know it ain't going over your head with that hat.
It will.
You don't want to show y'all that. You don't want to show y'all that head on camera. Go ahead, pull that thing off. Look, he said, I'm gonna get it over that hat.
Yeah.
That's crazy. All right, D14. I think Junior gonna meet us there at the gate. Grab me a yogurt or something. You know there's about to be a $30 yogurt right here. Hurry your big fluffy ass up.
We in economy, motherfucker.
This is first time in economy. He be a first class ass. So
first class.
He about to find out these seats are hella small.
I'm about to see how it feels.
They about to be like, hey big, you gotta buy 2 more seats. Hey, those seats hella small, ain't they, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's over.
They better not be small, nigga.
That's what she said. Look, you got walked in sideways, old big body silverback head ass. I ain't talking about you, bro. Huh? I was saying these seats lay back. Hey, look. Look, they touching thighs. You got this nigga need 3 seat belts. Look, she got your extension right here.
5. Say that shit any louder, nigga.
You got 2 more? I gotta put you on keto.
Stop laughing. I ain't never listening to this mic again.
What happened?
What do you gotta say for yourself, bro?
You don't stuff your big ass in them seats. You didn't have to get this seat.
You told me economy plus gonna be a little big.
All right. We here. Let me fix my aperture. There we go. 1.8. We here. We here.
Oh man, I didn't even start my
Don Junior.
I started my vlog.
Damn Shin.
So we out here now.
How's that economy life?
Economy like this horrible. We gotta wear double seatbelts. They didn't give me no soda. They gave me 1 soda. I want 10 of them. It smells like donuts. Kind of
smell like pee.
What?
That smell like pee or am I tripping? Smell like high rise. West Oakland high rise.
Smells like Dr.
You running?
Farted?
I did just fart.
Come on, bro.
And you behind me.
Hey, hold up.
You know you can't squeeze through here. Don't try. Sit back there. Inhale that. All right, which one is ours? Which baggage thing?
We didn't listen.
Bro, this airport hella empty. Why so empty?
You recording?
Huh? Yeah, why?
So we're live. We're about to go see the crocodiles.
We've stayed away from the crocodiles.
I'm gonna run that little nigga over.
We gotta find out which terminal our bags in.
We're gonna be like that guy right there.
Did you put something on your bag so you know, like you can spot it easier?
Yeah.
What you put on there? What?
Nothing. I didn't put shit.
Is that one mine? Nope. See, that one look like mine, but that one ain't mine. There we go. Bam. You feel me? The little yellow thing.
Oh, you are a copycat, bro.
Right, we got the same luggage. Mine's just better. I got the new and improved model. Alright, we out. I know you see that.
Holy shit.
Junior see that too. Everybody got BBLs out here. Alright, so we already got a little dilemma. My dumb man, I don't know what happened. I don't think it was on me. I think it was on Turo because I'm pretty sure I paid for the extra to have it delivered to the airport. But my car ain't here, so we're all about to. We all got to stuff in Junior's car. All right, so we all gonna be trying to stuff ourselves in this thing. It is hella hot out here. Whew. You sweating?
Starting to.
Junior for sure sweating. Hurry up, nigga, so we can go. Hey, this is crazy. It is so humid out here. My lens had fogged up. It's probably still fogged, bruh. It is fogging my lens up. That is insane to me. But yeah, man, we here. Let me put this code in. All right, we here. What's wrong with me at? We got Aaron over here somewhere.
Right here. What?
You up in here?
Yeah.
So that means Junior gonna be right up over here.
I get to listen to both of y'all. Talk that shit. I may listen to Junior snore. And I'm gonna listen to your motherfucker snore. And I'm be like, hey.
You got a bathroom in your room?
Yep. We in the mini mansion, blood.
Oh yeah, you do got your own bathroom. I ain't even look at my bathroom.
Man, we had made it. Man, I couldn't.
Shh. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? Of course. For anybody that say, well, you get the big room because I pay for the B&B, that's why. That's why I get the big room. You feel me? All right, we're gonna go outside. Look at nice pool. It's a nice ass house. Sounds hella nice.
Nice.
So I'm also waiting for my car that I rented to be delivered because it got delivered to the wrong location. How that happened, I have no clue.
Yeah, we don't know.
But the car is on the way. I did rent something that I am thinking about buying, so I figured this would be the perfect time to drive it around, test it, and just make sure I actually really want the car. Look, nice. Then what's in here? Probably another bathroom? Yep, another bathroom. Shit, nice. Nice. Nice.
Hey, it's living though. It's living right
This is good.
here, bro.
This is hella nice.
Man. Hell yeah.
Where'd Junior go?
I think he's still out. Oh, the tire. He didn't even check that. One of the
Bro,
tires
my
got-
lens keeps fogging up. Look at this.
Yeah, his tire got a titty on it, so I said call the owner and tell him, but it ain't safe.
All right, let me put y'all down real quick and get situated. All right, so here we go. We got my guy right here. This is the M4 compound I'm about to be using while I'm up out here. I'm renting this thing. My nice guy right here, you know what I'm saying, letting us rent this thing. You guys know that I am super interested in getting a G82. Here you go. Sexy, sexy thing. And it's in the color I want. This is like my favorite color. Bruh, it is so humid out here that it keeps fogging my lens. This is a $1,500 lens and it's still fogging it up. But yeah, here we go, M4 comp. So while we're out here, me and Junior, we were gonna do back-to-back Lambos and Ferraris, but instead of trying to be hella flashy, we figured we'd try to be more low-key and just enjoy it. And plus I wanted to see if I really like these things, so that's why I decided to go with the M4 comp. So if I do like it or love it, I'm definitely really gonna be interested in getting one of these. Of course, Junior wanted to get the M8 convertible. We were literally all stuffed in here. Super stuffed. I told him we're gonna race him. He like, ah.
Be careful.
You got a nice shirt in here?
I'm on one of these. Just here's the nigga go recording with the cap on.
Hey, I was looking. Hey, I kept looking, right? Hey, I kept looking. I'm like, why is it so dark?
Hey, he not f***ing with this one.
I'm gonna gap it because you fat.
Yeah, right. You said that other leg.
Just end it. Just end it.
I'm in my head, baby.
All right. Don Jr. Crown, some Hennessy in here. R.I.P. Kimbo.
That's a 100 RP gram bottle right there.
R.I.P. Kimbo. We turning up for Kimbo tonight.
Turning up for grams. Hey, come on, Jimmy, we got it.
Alright, looks so f***ed up, bro.
Oh, hi. We might go get some steak. Fucking fuck, yeah. Hey, Jimmy, we out?
These are rookies, bro.
Hey, we out.
This is the highest junior lightweight drunk.
This nigga, I don't drink, man. I smoke. But I was drinking.
Bro, you was just doing drugs. How you get that on the airport?
Cause I can't tell you how to do it, but I'll let you know one day. Right. Check this out. I didn't hoop it though.
You didn't what? What did you say?
I did not hoop it. It did not go.
You probably did put it. Hey, you probably did put it up your butt. Let me find out you put that shit up your butt.
It was my Jordan 1s.
Let me find out you put that up your butt to get on the airplane.
You want me to show you my golden black ones?
I don't want to see nothing that got to do with your butthole. He put that shit up his butt. That's how you know when he drunk, he start throwing up the hood.
We always do that shit. You feel me? Hey, we about to go get that steak though, for real.
That nigga taking a selfie?
All right, so I'm trying to update y'all on the video, but it is so humid out here that it literally keeps fogging up the camera. So we're already at day 2. We did a whole bunch of shit today. Was literally out here having fun, catting off. So earlier today, me and Junior was doing hot shit. We were wilding. So we were racing the M4 comp versus the M8. Obviously, the M8 is gonna be a good amount faster than the M4 comp. So yeah, M8, you know what I'm saying, Junior was putting gap on me. But overall, man, we've been having hella fun today. So tomorrow what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump in both cars. I'm gonna do a review on the M4 and I'm gonna do a review on the M8, but I'm also gonna be doing a ride along. Sorry, this camera's so foggy. Wipe. But yeah, tomorrow we got reviews and ride alongs. For those that have seen my Instagram, Instagram got kind of crazy yesterday, so yeah. But we're gonna wrap it up, man. We'll wrap it up.